Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. You might have guessed that Appa is going to clear my fridge again. Meaning I'm just going to cook something using whatever was left in my fridge. Okay, so I have some maybe about 300-400 grams of yellow noodles here. What I normally do is I will rinse it with some water, yeah? And then I have some chopped garlic and some prawns, and I don't throw away the prawn shell. Later I'm going to use prawn shell to make some prawn broth and in order to cook this particular noodle. I happen to have some pork slices from last night, so this is already cooked, and 2 eggs. And you will need some chicken stock if you can. If you don't have chicken stock, of course you can use hot water. So we're going to start by making the prawn broth. Give it about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil to start with. Throw in the ginger to saute the flavor out. When it is very hot, then only I will put in the prawn shell. After the oil has been heated up, you can actually put in the prawn shell, but be careful, it will splatter. And you want to continue to use high heat to saute your prawn shell to really get the nice fragrance out. Everything must be becoming in reddish in color. And you must make sure all the prawn shell, especially the prawn head, must be fully cooked before you add in the broth. If not, your broth is going to end up very fishy. So use high heat and char the prawn shell. When the prawn shell is charred, it's definitely 100% cooked. We'll come back shortly. Okay, the moment you can really smell the nice fragrance coming out from the prawn shell, there is a time where you can actually add in the broth. Ooh, very hot. Immediately you have a beautiful prawn broth. So of course I'm using chicken stock, so this is actually a mixture between chicken stock and prawn broth, even better. Then you're going to let this boil for about 2-3 minutes, after which your prawn broth is done. Don't boil it for too long because it may end up smelly, fishy again. Okay, see? Beautiful. Okay, this is after boiling for about a minute or two. Right, and our prawn broth is done. Golden prawn broth in 5 minutes. Okay, once the broth is ready, we can start cooking. I'm going to put in some vegetable oil. Let's saute some garlic. This is some leftover garlic from last night. Actually from my mother-in-law. So I just take it out and use it. Don't waste. Then I'm going to put in the egg. Season the egg a little bit with some light soy sauce. Break it. Put in the noodle. Super eggy flavor. Now we can actually add in the prawn broth. Put in the prawn. Put in the meat slices. If you have some veggie, you can put it in. I prefer to be yellowish in color, so I did not put in any green. And my family doesn't like tauge, especially my wife. Okay, I'm going to give it a little bit of oyster sauce. About 1 tablespoon. Don't forget, this broth is already flavored. It's a combination between a chicken stock and prawn broth. About one round of light soy sauce. I'm going to give a bit of my premium Vietnamese fish sauce. All the item I use, I'll put it inside the description box. A bit of salt, a little bit of sugar, so when you are cooking your broth with any dish with a nice broth, then you can be rest assured it will taste really good. Let's hide the prawn at the bottom so that you can get cooked easily. The prawn usually will get cooked in about 3 minutes. Today, of course, my prawn is a little bit big, but still it won't take too long. If you cook your prawn, overcook your prawn, it may become a bit mushy. Almost done. We'll come back shortly. Okay, this is after approximately 3 minutes. Make just one to make sure the prawn is fully cooked. You give few dashes of white pepper, and it's done. I'm going to eat it with some. Let me find some either sambal belacan or chili sauce. Okay, so I'm just going to. Let me find some sambal. Alright, I managed to find some, this is chili oil. Yeah, it will go really nice with this. So I hope you like my video, very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Home cooking can be very easy. Bye bye!